Hello everyone, welcome to 3. Today we are going to present our topic, the concept of the human. Our main research is the man has universal, unchanging essential properties, such as reason, language, self-awareness, that distinguish him from the other beings. Our group member is Li Zidi, Liu Zhe, Ye Yijun, Zhang Jingyuan, Liu Jinchong, Ma Mila, Zhang Chunling. For this topic, we divide into 3 parts. The first of all is the perspective of the philosophy and the cognitive science and the biological perspective. Next one is perspective of the philosophy.
Hello everyone, my name is Zhang Chunling. My part is 1.1. Aristotle believed that man is a rational animal, which is a fundamental characteristic that distinguishes humans from other creatures. In his view, humans not only have the basic instincts of animals, such as survival and reproduction, but also have unique rationality, the ability to think, speak, and judge. Although monkeys can also use tools, they will not reflect on the meaning behind their behavior. Human rationality is not just being able to do questions, but being able to ask questions, being able to doubt, and being able to reflect. Monkeys will not reflect on the meaning behind their behavior. Only humans will think about who am I and why do I exist. Therefore, rationality is still the core essence unique to humans.
Some of Kant's views can be provided from the perspective of moral philosophy. Kant believed that humans should be regarded as ends rather than tools because they have reason, self-awareness, and free will. These abilities are not acquired but are universal and unchanging essential attributes of human beings. It is this attribute that enables us to reflect, make independent decisions, and have moral responsibility, which is also the fundamental difference between human and animals and objects. Therefore, through Kant's view, it can be clearly provided the human have stable essential characteristics.
Science shows our self-awareness isn't just being awake. When we reflect on our choices, two brain areas light up, the MPFC for self-reflection and the LPFC for decision-making. Animals, their brains don't do these stunts. Human trades snacks for future goals. A chimp is always grab the banana now. Why? We link our past, present, and future selves. A mental time machine, animals lack. Can animals regret mistakes or ask, what if? No, they live in the now. Humans, we judge ourselves, imagine alternatives, and even ask, why do I exist? Philosopher Dennis explains it best. Animals know I exist, humans add I know I exist, and lead to why do I exist, sparking art, science, and meaning. Our self-awareness isn't just a biology, it's a recursive superpower that makes us architects of our destiny. Thank you.
Oriental philosophy. The understanding of the essential attributes of human being in Oriental philosophy and culture present at a rich and profound dimension. Its uniqueness is not only reflected in the emphasis on morality and the ethics, but also impregnable in the holistic framework of the universe, nature, and the social relations to think. The plural development of benevolence in Confucianism. Confucianism regards benevolence as a dynamic practical wisdom. Taoist interpretation of naturalism of human nature allows the purpose that man's law is the earth, earth's law is heaven, heaven's law is Tao, Tao's law is nature. The supplement of Buddhism to the cognition of human nature. Buddhism denies the fixed and unchanging self-nature and believes that essence of human being is temporary state formed by the combination of the 5 accumulation, color, subject, thought, behavior, and knowledge.
What makes humans unique? The answer lies in our prefrontal cortex, the control center of human intelligence. This remarkable brain region makes up 30% of our brain volume, triple that of primates. It powers our 3 defining abilities: abstract thinking, moral judgment, and long-term planning. fMRI scans prove it. When solving problems, our prefrontal cortex lights up 4x more than in animals. And when damaged, as in the Phineas Gage case, with those impulse control and social skills. This isn't just biology, it's the foundation of human civilization. Our ability to resist instincts, plan ahead, and create technology all stem from this neural powerhouse. In short, the prefrontal cortex didn't just make us smart, it made us human.
The complexity of the human language system. Humans have a language system that can interpret apart futures and hypothetical situations such as subjunctive mood and counterfactual expression, which is almost impossible to find in animals other than humans. Why a human unit? There are three key biological facts. 1. Humans have a brain area dedicated to controlling language. 2. Humans have the language gene 4p2. 3. Humans have invented combination. 1. Brain's exclusive language center, vocabulary area, language expression center, weakness area, language comprehension center. 2. Key language gene. The 4p2 gene is the genetic base of human language ability. Mutation in this gene can lead a survival language disorder. 3. Recursion. The infinite combinations ability of language. This is the core feature that distinguishes humans' language for animal communication. That's all of presentation. Thank you.